channel.
I'm Lexa.
And I'm Peta. And we are the Slime Queens.
I wouldn't want to be anybody else. Hey.
So how are y'all guys doing on this beautiful, beautiful day?
Hope you're having a great day.
So today we are making Orbeez Slime. Okay, so this slime is very difficult to make. Well, kind of difficult. It's because of the Orbeez are very watery. So we prefer making it fluffy slime. That way it can be like fluffy and it can have like more space to it, so they can stick on. Because some of them just slide out.
But before we start, make sure to stop, pause, and hit that red subscribe button to become part of the Slime Squad.
So now let's get on with the video.
So for this video, we're making fluffy slime with Orbeez. And if you don't know how to make fluffy slime, make sure to go check out our previous video so you can learn how to do fluffy slime. And we are just going to be adding Orbeez in it.
So now let's get started. What are you guys doing? Slime. Can I join?
Sure.
Why not?
Good thing we have an extra bowl.
I don't know, that was weird. Okay. So, get in the middle. I guess he's making slime. Okay, so I guess we have a special guest here. Alex.
Hey everybody! How you guys doing? I'm Alex, as you can see.
Okay, so you're gonna need 1/2 of glue. No, right? Yeah.
I can have the extras in there.
I'll have the extras actually. Okay.
There's
I don't know how y'all do this, guys. This is really hard. Look at my hands.
So now it's Orbeez time! Okay, so what we're gonna need to do is we're gonna have to split our slime in half. So I'm just gonna put it there. Okay? And we're just gonna pat it down. Like this. So now we add Orbeez. So we're just gonna start by getting a handful. Because, yep, I can, okay. Now you add your top layer. So now we add more Orbeez.
So now we have to mix.
Okay, so I can see some Orbeez are falling out and everything.
I think it's like getting sticky for some reason. I don't know why.
Orbeez are getting sticked on and some are just falling off, but I guess I'm just gonna do that again so they all fit on.
I mean, you can see here that there's like some sticking on.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Yeah. It's like some Peter Proofs.
Some are staying on there and some are not.
Yeah.
So
Look at mine, guys. It's working slowly by like slowly.
Oh, look, I added most of them.
quick advice, maybe leaving the Orbeez
Overnight?
making it like a burrito, like so I'm gonna flat it.
Yeah, like
now
maybe.
As you can see, there is a lot of Orbeez on the table. That is so cool. Come to me.
So now I think I'm gonna just like grab some Orbeez,
Yeah.
and then like place them on here, and then like you were saying, I think I'm gonna put like I'm gonna make it like a burrito or something.
Yeah.
I mean, it is sort of sticky, but I think we should leave it sticky for the Orbeez to like sort of
Yeah,
get
so-
the hang of to
Yeah,
stick
like
on.
the stick.
So this is, I think this Lex and Peter is approved.
And Alex proof. I think it's
And on a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate this a 6 maybe.
I'll rate it like an 8.
I'll rate this a 10. This is my favorite slime.
And I would rate it a 10 if the Orbeez wouldn't fall out.
So thank y'all guys for
Thank you guys for
watching.
watching.
Make sure to give it a thumbs
thumbs
up
up
and
and
subscribe.
And turn on notifications. And if we get 100 subscribers, we will be doing a giveaway and we will do a Q&A.
And make sure to comment down below other slime recipes that we'll do.
Or slime types that you would want us to do.
Yes.
Remember to be happy, be yourself, and make slime all day. See y'all guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Who says you're not star potential? Who says you're not presidential? Who says you can't be in movies? Listen to me, listen to me. Who says you don't pass